Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Mike and this is Mike's Kitchen Recipes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make red Thai curry paste. Now red Thai curry paste is a staple ingredient of Thai cuisine and used in a variety of dishes. It's used in soups, stir fries, even salads. Yeah, so if you can master how to make a red Thai curry paste, you're pretty much well on your way to being able to cook a variety of Thai dishes. So the ingredients that are needed for red Thai curry paste are a tablespoon each of white peppercorns, coriander seeds, cumin seeds. We will need dried red chilies, approximately 15, which we will remove the seeds and the pith and give them a good soaking for several hours. I also have 2 fresh red chilies, just basic mild chilies that are de-seeded. Now this is just to add a bit of additional colour to the red Thai curry paste. Then we'll need a heaped tablespoon of lemongrass, also a heaped tablespoon of galangal. We're then going to need a heaped tablespoon of cilantro root. It can have stem on there as well, but basically you're going to want the cilantro root and stem. Kaffir lime leaves, 4 to 6 kaffir lime leaves. I've actually got 4 here because I'm adding some lime zest. Now I don't have kaffir limes, they're extremely hard to get here in Portugal. Zest of 1 lime is the equivalent to approximately 2 kaffir lime leaves. We're then going to go in with 5 tablespoons of shallots. Now I can't get Thai shallots here either, so I'm just using standard, these happen to be standard French shallots. And 6 cloves of garlic. Also 1 heaped teaspoon of shrimp paste. So we'll go ahead and start by adding our dried spices to the mortar. Go ahead and give those a good grinding until a fine powder is formed. Once we've formed a fine powder, we'll then add that to a plate or bowl. Then just go ahead and set that aside. We'll then go and drain off our rehydrated chilies, making sure to reserve some of that chili water in case our paste is a little bit dry at the end. We'll then go and combine our fresh chilies with our rehydrated chilies. Add a good pinch of salt, helps act as an abrasive to break down those chilies. Then start pounding and grinding the chilies. Once they're ground, we'll go ahead and add in our lemongrass, galangal, and our cilantro root and stems. Continue and give those a good grind. Once they're fully combined, we can go in with our Kaffir lime leaves and our lime zest. Continue to grind them. Then we'll go in with our soft aromatics, our shallots, our garlic, and continue to pound these into a fine paste. Now finally we can go back in with our dry spices and our teaspoon of shrimp paste. Give that one final grind up. So our red Thai curry paste is finally finished. So there you have it, red Thai curry paste. Now please give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. I promise you won't be disappointed. Now in regards to storing this, if you put it in a jar in the fridge, it will last for a good week or so. Alternatively, you can portion it out into an ice cube tray, freeze it, then put it in a bag and use as desired for any recipes that require red Thai curry paste. Now if you've enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing. And until the next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.